Hello, my friends. We have so many amazing items to share with you today. And you know what? I'm telling you, it is just amazing. Are you ready? Now, those of you in our Stamp and Die Hard Club, you are definitely going to want to check these out. If you're not in our Stamp and Die Hard Club, you need to go join that first because this is just absolutely positively amazing. And then once you join the club, then you get the discount automatically on these items. Are you ready? So yay! First of all, we did have ours as our club set, some yummy, yummy chocolate covered strawberries. It's making me hungry just thinking about it. But check this out. So here we have this fun tray or this plate of yummy strawberries all ready to go. Lots of amazing word phrases. Wishing you a very special day filled with chocolatey goodness. Enjoy these yummy goodies. Sending you sweet wishes and lots more. Now, of course, you know, oh yeah, there's dies that go with it. Of course, right? Because hello, it wouldn't be good if it wasn't. So there's dies that match. Now, some of you, I understand, do not like to color. Or sometimes you just need a faster card. Guess what, my friends? These solids were designed for you and me, but you too. And so we have more words. Sending you a little taste of heaven on a strawberry. Very delightful moments to you. Sweet wishes. May your day be as sweet as chocolate covered strawberries. Yummy, yummy. Now, you know I couldn't stop with just those words. You know I had to go on for more. Sending you chocolatey kisses on fruity dreams. Savor the sweetness and enjoy every bite. Wishing you a delectable day. Sending chocolatey love, made with love. And chocolate is a hug you can eat. And there's even a couple more on there, you guys. Amazing, right? Wait till you see my stack of samples, you guys. I have so many samples to share with you. Now, we need something to put our strawberries on besides the fun plate. Well, how about a doily heart folded? Yes, it's true. I know a lot of you have been asking for this. I finally got it done. It is 3 dies because the center, this white part, is optional. You can take that die out if you want. You can die cut it separately if you want. Look at how amazingly beautiful this is. And imagine putting your beautiful strawberries on there. Don't worry, I have samples. Last but not least, and then we'll jump into the samples, Gatefold cards. I know you guys are as wild for Gatefold cards as I am. We have the house, which is so much fun. We had the Christmas tree, which, oh, everybody just like fell over for, right? Well, how about a heart? Now, these are A2 in size when folded. The best part about this, though, is how much I jam pack in this file, in this die file. So here we have Love You with shadows. We have some extra hearts. We have a heart panel, which will also fit on any of your other Gatefold panels, if Gatefolds. We have this fun stitch that is a line, dot, line, dot, line, dot, and a row of hearts, and also from my heart to, from my heart to yours. Awesome, right? Now, there's even a heart on here. Guess what, my friends? It's not cut out completely. You're going to use one of these hearts to put on top, and it'll fit perfect. Are you ready for some samples? Okay, you guys, first of all, with the sprinkles background on there, doesn't that just look absolutely amazing? I love the pink chocolate strawberries. Pink. Love You. That is from the Gatefold, the Heart Gatefold. Open that up. Enjoy these yummy goodies. Isn't that cute? Ooh, here's another one using that cake plate with lots of 3D ink on it. Look how pretty that is. Now notice all the fun layers. We have a stitched rectangle, another stitched rectangle, and then a scalloped rectangle behind it. Isn't that fun? I love that. Just adds a little bit more depth to it. Lots of yummy strawberries on there. Open it up. Sending you chocolatey kisses on fruity dreams. Yum, yum, yum. Then, ooh, here's another one, another layering one. We have 2 layers on here. Sending you sweet wishes. You guys, the strawberries are so much fun. Here's one you already saw in the last video, 5 by 7. So yes, it fits perfectly on A2. Also fits wonderfully on 5 by 7. This is our double scalloped 5 by 7 base. And, oh, here's a little peek at that fun fold it for the hearts. Look at that. Oh, this one even, check this out. It even, oops, it even stands up. It stands up. Look at those doilies. They're so beautiful. You guys are so beautiful. Now, let's jump in and look at some more doilies. Here we go. Notice the inside here, the inside of this heart is not die cut because that heart was taken out. You can use the heart separately also. Here's another example where the white heart is on top. So it's lots of different options. Now, this is not going to stand perfectly. Grab the card stand. Grab the card stand, or you can also trim just a little tiny bit off the bottom to make it straight, and it will stand. So look at how gorgeous that one is. Oh, look at these cute ones with the little faces. Aren't they adorable? I absolutely love those. Ooh, here's a pretty one in purple. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I love that doily, you guys. I'm telling you. Or, hey, just use the inside dies instead. Just use the small hearts. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. Now, look at this stack. Oh my goodness, you guys. So here's using those, the solid stamps. Now you don't have to color if you don't want to. So fun. Here's another one using the solid stamps. Ooh, and the llama fold it club stencil. I hope you got that stencil with the llama fold it, because now you're gonna want it if you don't have it. Look at this chocolate stripe. This is the lemon citrus circles from the stencil. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, wow. Move over, guys, because look at this one. This one is fun. So look at this one. We have all of our sayings, not all of them, but a lot of them, as the background paper. So we have, look, different ways, going different ways, just sneaking in there a little tiny bit in different colors of ink and different directions to make it look really fun. Let's jump into our gatefolds. Are you ready, you guys? Are you ready? Keep your socks on. Here we go. Love you. From my heart to yours. You are getting those layering pieces also. So you will have those. Here, oh, here's a fun one with a cupcake on it. Happy birthday. Oh, but this one's not a gatefold. Tricky, tricky. Look at this. Just one side. Isn't that gorgeous? So what you can do is you can cut the other side off and use it on this panel. And now you have just a one side heart. I love it. Ooh, this one's pretty. From my heart to yours. Watch this. Watch those words. Watch those words. What? Look at that. Love you. Love you. Oh, and what do we have in here? Do we have anything extra? Oh, a hidden panel. You guys, this is a hidden panel. Michelle likes to do these. She's added something else. A little card. You can add a little something, something back there like a gift card. Isn't that fun? Here we go. From my heart to yours. You don't even have to use the gatefold if you don't want to. Put that on an A2 size card because it fits perfect. Look at that, and look at that gorgeous background. So you can make that background using the panel die. Here, let me grab it. Using the panel die, just die cut it twice on your A2 size cardstock. Look at that. You have a background die. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh, here's another one. Love you. Open it up. Lots of different, oh, this one's stuck for photography. From my heart to yours without using the background die. So that's option. That's awesome. So lots of different ideas using the same dies over and over, right? Lots of different colors. Here's one that's tied. So let's open it up. Open it up. Love you. Oh, look at those beautiful hearts. Adding some color back into those panels. And even the back is decorated. Love you, love you. I love it. I love it. And here we go. Here's another one. Ooh, using our swirl panels. Because remember, all the other panels you have, because we have a lot. We have the swirls. We have, so for example, here's the swirls. So let's open this up. Ding, ding, ding. Hugs and kisses. Isn't that fun? Now, club members, there's a bundle for this if you get in on it quick, which is really, 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 really exciting. If you want to check out any of these items and you're watching this on YouTube or on Facebook, there are links right below me that you can click to go check those out. Also, if you want to join the club, you can click on one of those links as well. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button. I guess that's like a big deal. So click the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notifications when we release a new product, a new video, and when we go live. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting the club discount on all of these products because We love you and we want you to have extra fun. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm gonna see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.